From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news for Friday, January 21st, 2022. The restart for Norwegian Cruise Line's Hawaii-based Pride of America has been pushed back again. Last week, the line announced it resumed sailings on February 26th. Now, the ship is scheduled to restart her Hawaii program on April 9th from Honolulu. Pride of America joins a dozen other Norwegian ships which have either paused sailings or had restart dates pushed back as a result of the COVID-19 Omicron variant. And in addition, the March 20th sailing on Norwegian Jewel has been canceled due to what the cruise line is calling a, quote, significant revitalization of the ship. And Holland America has extended its Flexible Cancellation Plan through September 30th. The plan allows those who book a cruise by March 31st for cruises departing by September 30th to cancel for any reason up to 30 days prior to departure in exchange for a future cruise credit. Previously, the cancellation plan was offered on sailings departing through the end of April. In related news, the company has canceled the January 29th sailing of the New Amsterdam in what the line is citing because of a, quote, outside influence. And Vancouver is gearing up for a record cruise year, according to a report filed from Cruise Industry News. The port has 325 calls scheduled, with about 90% being home port calls. 22 ships will be calling to Vancouver for the first time. The season will run from April to October, and Vancouver could see as many as 1.3 million cruise passengers during that time. The port is also making infrastructure updates to its Canada Place terminal and already has plans to add a cruise terminal in the future. In 2019, the port saw 288 cruise ships with approximately 1 million cruise passengers. And cruise line stocks were down on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 20.80. Royal Caribbean down a half, 81.21. And Norwegian down 1.5, 21.05. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. We made it through the week. Congratulations. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have a great weekend.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.